Hey there, young scientists. It is time for Wacky Science with Mr. Ganere. Green coffee. For our first experiment, here are a few things you will need. You will need some water, some black pepper, some hand soap, a bowl, and a measuring cup. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is measure 2 cups of water. Now on the measuring cups it has different lines and it tells us which line represents 2 cups. And in order for us to measure accurately, what we have to do is not measure from the top or the side, but we have to be able to see straight across. So our eyes should be lined up with where it says 2 cups. And then we pour our water until the water reaches the line that says 2 cups. Ah, perfect. Now, go ahead and pour your water into your bowl. And then sprinkle some black pepper in it. You just want enough so that you can see the black pepper floating around on the top of the water. Take your soap and pour a little bit of soap on your fingers, 1 finger, and then cover your finger with the soap. Now here's the cool part. You're going to take your finger and stick it into the middle of the bowl. Wow! Wow! Did you see that? The black pepper ran away from the soap that's on the finger. That's really cool. That's weird science. Now, one of the coolest parts about being a scientist is trying to figure out if your experiment will work with other materials. So here's what you can do. You can try this experiment with different types of materials. Like I'm going to try it with using parsley, some cayenne pepper. You can use whatever you have in your cupboard. And I'm also going to try to use milk. I have almond milk, but you can try regular milk. Whatever you want, you can try and see if this experiment will work with whatever materials you have at home. I'm excited. Are you? I'm going to try first with some parsley. Some soap on my finger. And let's see what happens to the parsley. It works! The parsley ran away too. Now to try it with some cayenne pepper. And remember, you can try it with whatever you have in your pantry. Soap on my finger. And 3, 2, 1. Hey, look at that. It did not work with the cayenne pepper. Can you think of a reason why it might not work with cayenne pepper? All right. Now I'm going to try the original experiment with black pepper, but this time I'm going to use some almond milk. You can try it with regular milk. Soap on my finger, and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. And it works with the milk too. Wow, that's cool. Wasn't that a cool experiment, trying the different type of materials that you have in your house? And the question is, why does some material run away or flow away from the soap and other materials? They just stay where they're at. For example, black pepper floats away, but cayenne pepper did not move. That's an interesting question. And as young scientists, I'm going to leave it up to you to find out why. But I'll give you a hint. Surface tension. When it comes to water, how does the surface tension change when soap is introduced? And how does that lead to some materials running away while other materials just stay where they're at? I trust you as young scientists to find a reason why. Good luck!